About this item, 2024 system upgrade has upgraded the system from the original version and will have far fewer problems with failures. We are continually looking at providing a better experience for pets. Note: please push pedal to correct posture firstly, a good helper in life. Self-cleaning cat litter box adopts an app, only 2.4 GHz, remote or one-key control, clumping and separating cat excrement from clean cat litter automatically, tracking cat usage time and trash volume, which can solve your worries of short-distance travel. 100% safety and health monitoring, building with double protection system. When the pet approaches, the sensor will detect sensitively, and the machine will automatically stop working to protect the pet's safety. It will also sync data to your phone so you can monitor the cat's health at any time. Odorless and spacious. After cleaning, the system will automatically turn on the purple light to effectively eliminate unpleasant odors. 60L Extra Large Cat Litter Box offers a comfortable space for cats, suitable for multiple cats from 3.3 pounds to 25 pounds. Reduced stickiness. With artificial arm shovel and anti-stick film, cat litter will no longer stick to the inside of the litter box, which will be easy to clean. All litter, less than 5 mm, can be used. Please set more than 10 minutes for cleaning time on the app.